Welcome to a video that's designed to save you time and money by walking you through the step-by-step process of installing your new GIVI parts and accessories. This is a general overview installation, so it doesn't matter which make or model motorcycle you have, these tips and steps should be exactly what you need for a proper install. Today we're looking at the GIVI side mount frames. Before we get to the specific step-by-step process for this item, we have a couple basic tips that'll set you up for success. Tip 1. Did your GIVI parts arrive alive, or did you get a smashed-in, bashed-in box that looks like it was run over on the loading dock? If there appears to be any damage, refuse it and send it back to where it came from. Tip 2. Carefully open your new GIVI parts as if you knew you were going to return them, because mistakes happen and you might have to. Items that are returned in the same manner they were shipped are easily processed for the quickest turnaround and refunds. Tip 3. Once you've carefully opened your package and parts, make sure it's all there. Each part comes with printed instructions. The first page of those printed instructions is a list of everything you'll need to do for this install. So before you get started, make sure you have all the correct items and quantities. The best way to do this is to lay everything out and check it against the parts list. Another benefit to laying everything out is that you have to touch each part. This is a good time to look at each piece and check the threads to make sure none of them are damaged or improperly made. Tip 4. Make sure you have every tool you need before you get started. Page 2 of the instructions shows you which tools you'll need for this project. Depending on the instructions for each part, it may or may not call for a torque wrench, but you'll want to add that to your list of tools. Now, if there's one tip that'll help you avoid a headache, it would be this one. Tip number 5, keep it loose. Hand thread the bolts in just enough to keep them on, but don't tighten them. Keeping it loose will really help when it comes time to put other parts and bolts into place. That's it for our top tips to a successful GIVI install. Now here's the step-by-step process. So this is our installation video on the side case mounting frames. Now what we have specifically here is the PL5108 cam, but this video will help you with anything from the PL series. So step 1 when it comes to mounting this side frame is you want to look at your mounting points. So you want to hold this thing up and start to get an idea of, how am I going to connect from there to there and from there to there, because you're going to have your parts laying over here on the side and you can start to put things together and start to visualize how this is going to work. All right, now I know you might see this BMW GS1200 and say, wait a second, that's not my motorcycle, but it doesn't matter. This step-by-step process will help you with any motorcycle that you have. So when it comes time to put these side frames on, there may be a couple extra steps that you might have to encounter. Specifically for this motorcycle, you have to take the exhaust off before you can take the foot pegs off. So if that's the case with yours, there's going to be a couple things along the way. Go ahead and do that. But step 2, for the most part, is going to be remove the foot pegs.
if you notice so far, there's a lot of mounting points on the top. But when it comes to the bottom, since it doesn't attach to a subframe or anything else, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure these attach to each other. That's gonna help carry the weight of the boxes that are going on the side. All right, so we've kept everything loose. We've just finger tightened where we need to. Everything fits. It's exactly where it's supposed to be. And so now it's time to tighten it down. When we go to do that, we're gonna start from the front of the motorcycle and we're gonna work our way to the back. Whatever we do on the right side, we're gonna do the exact same thing on the left side. Depending on your make or motorcycle, you might have to relocate these turn signals. Now, this kit does come with the mounting brackets, but it does not come with additional wiring that you may need. The good news is you can pick it up at your local auto parts store. All right, so we've tightened everything down. Last thing we really need to do is just put our boxes on. In this case, it's gonna be the Trekker Outback. And I'm gonna wipe it down because when you make the investment in Italian styling, you want it to look nice. One final tip is that when you go to make an oil change, go ahead and check your bolts because bolts do come loose. So that's a good time to check it. But what you're looking at here is a full installation on the GIVI PL side frames.